Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, today we're doing a Play-Doh challenge today. So let's get started. Let me open it for me. Squeezy squad. Let me open it.
Let me help you?
Yeah.
I'm Zuri's sister.
That's my sister. Oh. So, looking out this Play-Doh, guys. I don't know how to get the Play-Doh out. So that's all we got. We got rainbow, green, and white. And we got the toys. I can't open this.
Let me see.
So we got all the colors. We're gonna choose green.
Did you tell them what this is? You got a plate. You want me to put this together for you?
Yeah.
Okay. How in the world do you do this? Okay, you fill the layers. See how you do this. That doesn't work. Oh, that doesn't work either. Directions. Oh, okay. So this goes like this. This goes like this. But how? Oh, okay.
Wow.
This goes for the bottom. I'm not sure if it's a hook. This little thing does not help out. Oh, this is your tray. So you can make mini foods.
Okay.
This is her little stove. And her little thing. We're not sure. Girl, I'm trying.
What does that say?
So,
Squad?
ZZ Squad, what we are doing today, basically, because, so what we're doing today is we are doing a little Play-Doh challenge, from Soft Dough, Crazy Cooking Fun Set, right? This is a little sticker. It's really like crazy art. Oh, you want to make something? So I guess I'll make something, guys. Zuri, tell them your favorite. Tell them what you like to do.
I don't like to do green.
Like, what's your favorite color? What do you like to do?
This is my favorite color.
Yellow. Okay, guys. So her favorite color. Show them your favorite color.
This is my favorite color.
Red and yellow. You don't know? I'm not sure how to really make a lot of this with it.
I'm just have to make some more food.
Some more food?
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Show them what you made.
Look
I made a
what
swirly cookie. Show them what you made.
I made a cooking gummas.
Cooking gumboos?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a plate somewhere? Oh, you got it. We'll use this little thing as a plate. We'll put all our dishes
This is
right
the
here.
kitchen, guys. You can just make some this and stuff.
What else are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make some bacon.
There goes bacon right here.
Yeah.
You gotta put it on it.
Eggs and meat and bacon.
So if you do Zuri, so it says if you get these two, mix it together, and it makes it orange. Guys, there's little color combinations on the back. It says color chart. And if you do red mixed with white, it makes pink. You want pink? Zuri, you want pink? You want a what?
I would get pink.
Okay, I'm gonna make pink for you because you gotta use these two to make pink.
I want the paper.
Okay.
You got the small.
So I'm gonna make pink.
Good.
Hopefully I'm doing this right. That's what, oh, it's coming together. I might have to use some more red. So Zuri, talk to them. Talk to your besties.
Guys, this is really fun.
She's like really fun.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna get the kitchen.
You gotta use these. So I'm gonna get some more red. It's not fully pink yet. It's getting there. Sorry. I think I used too much red. Zuri, you can also make some pizza. So they also, did they give you a brown? Oh, so here's some brown and white. It'll make,
No.
if you use brown,
You can still have the white color. Good job. Good job.
so brown, white makes a pale, not pale,
What?
like a lighter color. Red, yellow makes the orange.
Oh my God. Oh. Guys, you're doing this so good.
I've played in Play-Doh in so long.
Guys, I don't really like Play-Doh.
Yes, you do. You just played with Play-Doh. What are you talking about? You're playing with Play-Doh now. Oh, look, you can make a pizza right here. You can make chicken. You want me to make you some chicken?
I will make my own chicken.
Okay. Make your own chicken. cut. Cut. Look, you can cut them. Cut.
I need a sticker.
It's not a sticker. So I officially made the pink. It works.
What's the sticker go?
It's on here.
No.
Hey. I told you. So it's still. Gotta still make this up.
Going.
Lucky, you can also make mushrooms and carrots. So this don't match it, but it's close enough. Right here. This is the one I used, the last combination.
Guys, this is one I used the bitter one, and I only use the little one too. I always use all the colors.
I'm gonna make a pink pancake.
What?
I mean a pink.
I made a big pancake.
Can I make a pretzel, please?
Yeah.
Can I please make a pretzel? Please. Can I use this one, please? Can I give it back to you?
No.
I just want a little bit.
No.
I just want a little bit. Look, I'm gonna just take a little bit. Look.
No, give it to me.
Oh,
Give it to me. No. It's not done yet.
Just a little thing and put it in here.
No way. Put it in there. Ice cream.
Bye, guys.
Don't say bye. Guys, I'm still doing this. Yes, on my bye. She is not playing with no Play-Doh. She is not playing with my Play-Doh again. But I was only doing it by myself. But no. Here still. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel.